am about to show you how to generate unlimited AI videos using Google Veo 3 Ultra for free right now, today. But before that, remember last video when I said I would give away a Google Veo 3 Ultra account with unlimited generation to one lucky person, completely free? That winner is getting announced in this video. So if you liked, subscribed, and commented, do not close this tab. Your name might be coming up on this screen in just a few minutes, and after that, I am walking you through the full Google Flow tutorial step by step. No paid plans, no complicated setup, just pure free access to one of the most powerful AI video tools on the planet right now. Stay with me. This one is worth it. Before we move ahead, let me first announce the winner of the giveaway from the last video. For those who don't know, in that video I had said that whoever likes the video, subscribes to the channel, and leaves a nice comment down below, I will give them a Google Veo 3 Ultra plan account with completely unlimited generation, absolutely for free. Yes, for free. A lot of you participated, liked, subscribed, and commented. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for the love and support. It honestly means a lot. Now, let's announce the winner first, and then we'll continue with the workflow. What I'm going to do is copy the link to that giveaway video and come to a random comment picker website. These websites are completely fair and random, no manipulation involved. Whatever name comes up, that person is the winner. I paste the video link and click submit. Let's just wait and see who becomes the lucky winner today. And the winner's name is Hoabo Ivlog. Congratulations! My Instagram link is in the description below. Please DM me there and we will sort everything out. Alright, now that the giveaway is done, let's get back to the main topic and continue our workflow. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Now I'm going to give you a special link. You'll find it in the description below this video. Just copy that link carefully, paste it into your browser's address bar, and hit enter. A new website will pop up on your screen. Now take a second to look at the page properly. Scroll down just a little bit, or look at the very bottom, and you'll see a button that says Get Started Free. Go ahead and click on that. Next, it's going to ask you for a few basic details: a username, your email address, and a password. Fill these out carefully, make sure everything is correct, and then hit Create Account. Boom! Just like that, you've created your account. You now have a 3-day free trial and full access to the free plan with absolutely zero limitations. No credit card required, no hidden fees, nothing at all. It is completely free to get started. One small thing to keep in mind: use a valid email address when signing up, because sometimes a confirmation email lands in your inbox. So just check your email quickly if you don't get logged in right away. Okay, now listen carefully, because this is the step where most people make a mistake. They skip it. Please do not skip this. It is really important. Without this step, the whole setup is simply not going to work. So right there on your screen, you'll see an option that says Extension. Click on that and download the file. It's a small file, so it won't take long. Once it's saved to your computer, here is what you do. Head up to the top right corner of your browser, click on the 3 little dots, that's your browser menu. Go to Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. You'll land on the Extensions page. Now look at the top right corner of that page, and you'll see a toggle for Developer Mode. Make sure you turn that on. This is necessary for the next step. Now go back to that downloaded file. Simply drag and drop it right into the browser window. The moment you drop it, it installs automatically and instantly. No extra steps needed. Once installed, you'll see the extension icon appear in your browser bar. Pin it there so it's always easy to access. Click on the extension icon and choose Login with Credentials. Enter that exact same email and password you used when creating your account. Hit Login, and you are now fully set up and ready to go. And it didn't cost you a single penny. Look over on the left side of your screen and click on Flow Access. You'll see a message that says Powered by Google Veo 3, and right below it, a blank prompt box waiting for you. Now this is where a lot of people get stuck. They don't know what to write in that box. So here's the easiest way to handle that. Let's head over to ChatGPT and just type in, "Give me a random text to image video prompt." ChatGPT will generate a really nicely written, highly detailed, and cinematic prompt. Exactly what we need. Once you see it, copy it, head back to the tool, and paste that prompt into the box. Now, one very important warning here. You will see a button at the bottom that says Ultra. Do not click on that. Stay completely away from it. Those features are for paid pro accounts only, and will not work on the free plan. Instead, navigate over to the Nano Banana section. I know it sounds like a funny name, but trust me, once you're in there, you are going to find Google Veo 3 Ultra sitting right there, ready for you to use. Pick whichever aspect ratio suits your content, vertical for short form or horizontal for a more cinematic look, and then click Open on Google Flow. And look, I know what some of you are thinking right now. You're thinking, okay, this sounds too good to be true. There has to be a catch somewhere. But guys, I've been using this exact same method for weeks now, and nothing has broken, nothing has stopped working, no account got banned, nothing. It's completely stable. The only reason more people don't know about this is because nobody's talking about it. But that's exactly why I make these videos, so you guys don't miss out on stuff like this. Once Google Flow opens up in your browser, just sit back for a moment because the extension is already running everything automatically in the background. You don't need to do anything manually here. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. If you can see the word Ultra written there, that is your confirmation that your setup is 100% correct and everything is working perfectly. Next, click on New Project. We just need to change one small setting and then we are done. Open up Nano Banana inside the project. Switch the mode to video. Make sure it says video, not image. And instead of VEO 3.1 fast, find the option that says light under low priority model and select that one. This is the setting that keeps everything running smoothly on the free plan without any issues. Once that's set, paste your prompt one final time and hit generate. Now just give it a few seconds and look at that output on your screen. The quality is absolutely mind-blowing. Seriously, just stop and think for a second. You just generated that video for completely free. No subscription, no credit card, nothing. And like I said, you can keep doing this forever. There is no cap, no limit. Make as many videos as you want, as many times as you want, and nobody can stop you. Let me prove it by generating one more right now. I'll go back to ChatGPT and ask, give me another prompt for text-to-video generation. ChatGPT gives me a fresh set of prompts. I scroll through, pick a good one, and copy it. I come back to Google Flow, paste the new prompt in, all the settings stay exactly the same, no need to change anything, and I hit generate again. A few seconds later, the video is ready. And just look at that. What an amazing result. The detail, the motion, the overall quality, all of it is just incredible for something that costs absolutely nothing. And you can download every single video straight to your device, ready to post wherever you want. And that's it, guys. Free account, free extension, free videos, everything sorted. If this helped you, just hit that like button and subscribe, because I bring tutorials like this every single week. If you missed the giveaway this time, don't worry. I run these regularly, so stay subscribed and keep watching. My Instagram is in the description. DM me anytime. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.